Oh my goodness, what beautiful music. The entire musical production is fabulous. Hey, yo! What's good, everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, today we'll be reacting to a brand new Mission Souls Family song. This song is called Ban Jovi. First time hearing of this song, first time seeing this performance, and we all know, congratulations to these families. They are doing some excellent work. So, I want to say Happy New Year to everyone from Jamaica to the Philippines. Big up all my Filipinos. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for the actual support. It's making me feel welcome here. So the time when this video has been recorded is the 1st of January 2025. So if you guys are watching this video after this day, then you all know many great blessings to you throughout this 2025 here. May God bless you and keep you throughout this here. Okay, so without further ado, let's see the performance that will be done by the Mission Souls family. Peace.
This ain't a song for the broken hearted, for silent prayer, for faith departed. And I ain't gonna be just a face in the crowd. You're gonna hear my voice when I shout it out loud. It's my life, it's now or never. 'Cause I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live while I'm alive. My heart is like an open highway. The Frankie said I did it my way. I just wanna live while I'm alive. 'Cause it's my life. Yeah, this is for one.
Blah, 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 blah. Outstanding. Outstanding. Disappointment? Never. Ah! Hey! Hey!
Voices to their ground. Tommy and Gina never back down. Tomorrow's getting harder, make no mistake. Lucky, gotta make your own breaks. It's my life, it's now or never. 'Cause I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live while I'm alive. It's my life. My heart is like an open highway.
Yo! Yo, I'm feeling happy, bro. I'm feeling happy. They makes me happy. What gorgeousness. Oh my god. Hey, these kids, these families, bro, they are natural born superstar. Now, this is the stars that I would like to show me the way when the time is dark as, bro. Trust me. Trust me. Naturally born superstars.
But Frankie said I did it my way. I just wanna live while I'm alive. 'Cause it's my life.
Oh my goodness, what beautiful music. The entire musical production is fabulous, bro. The drumming, the guitaring, hey, the piano playing, the singers, perfect package. Ra, ra, ra. Hey, what a beautiful music. And oh my goodness. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. A job well done, family. And I want to say blessings in 2025, bro. I'm looking forward for more songs from y'all throughout this year because I'll be keeping up with you guys posting so I could keep my reaction coming. So, if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to subscribe for more, hit the bell icon for more, and stay tuned for more. It will be my pleasure to check out a lot more of these guys' songs because they are much appreciated by me. Blessings on the 2025. I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy New Year again, man.